Hello friends, in this video tutorial we're going to look at a new function introduced in Excel 2010, and that is slicer. Essentially, slicer is available inside the insert tab and in the filter box. So when we just place our icon, let us observe what it says. Slicer makes it faster and easier to filter pivot tables and cube functions. So essentially it's a filter based function. So let us try and see how slicer works with the help of an example. Here we have a table, and let us quickly make a pivot table out of this table for interactivity and analysis. So I'll click on pivot tables after selecting this data, and I may want this in a new worksheet, so I'll click OK. So this is a new pivot table that has opened up. So let us try to analyze this table in detail. First and foremost, let's create this pivot table. Let's drag name to the row label, and I may want to do an analysis on, let's say, monthly salaries. And the filters that we may want to kind of use for report filter is department and, let's say, gender. So we can kind of choose different departments, different filters from here, male, female, etc., and we can create this table and do analysis here. The other option for doing such kind of analysis is now provided by pivot table slicer, and this slicer is essentially available in the insert tab and the slicer column here. So let's click on slicer, and note that the options which are available in the slicer are similar to the ones which were available in the pivot table field list. So let's try to create two filters here, department and gender, the ones which we have created on the top here, and let's click OK. So the time we click OK, we see that there are two dialog boxes that opens up. These are default color options, and if you want to change the colors of these, you can go to options and select the different colors which we have. Let's say this one, and the second one, let's say, is orange format. Now you may note that the finance one is highlighted in green and the female is highlighted in orange. This means that this table is being refreshed with these two data only. Let's say I want to choose only IT. I can filter that only on the basis of IT and female. Let's say within IT I want male. I can do that by clicking on male. So you can see, instead of having departments here or choosing a drop down menu from here, you can actually use these set of filters and try to do the analysis